abstract nouns, things that we cannot touch or experience directly with our senses. Okay, so these are things that are man-made, quite possibly. Concepts that we happen to attribute the name to. They're arbitrary, a thing that is so, a thing that is because we say it is. Almost random, arbitrary, arbitrary. And only exists in our mind. So a good one is weeks, days, calendar, new year and time. Time is a crazy one. But weeks and days. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. But if the person who made the calendar, had he waited one more day, I'll do it tomorrow, then today would actually could be a Friday, for all we know. Today could be a Sunday. It's arbitrary. It's arbitrary. Today is Wednesday because someone said this will be a Wednesday. It follows the rules in the calendar. The calendar, today will be a Wednesday. Same with weeks. 7 days. 7 days? Yes, it might take 365 days to go around the sun, but a week doesn't matter. Why is that a thing? 365 divided by 7, why is that even a thing? It's a thing because someone said it is. The guy that made the calendar said weeks is a thing. It's man-made. Only exists with humans, and we say it's a thing because we say it's a thing. Weeks. Why aren't the weeks 6 days? Why aren't they 8 days? Why aren't they 10 days? Why not? And a calendar. Oh, the calendar. Month. Why has January got to be 31 days? Why can't they all be 30 days, for example? Or why can't they be 15 days each and create 12 more months of the year? Why not? The month. Why not? A new year. Why is it 1st of January? Why is it 1st of January? Why not the 1st of June, for example? 1st of June. Why not? Here's the sun, 365 days. Any day could be New Year's. Just we have chosen arbitrarily, 1st of January. Why not? Why not 2nd of February? Why not 2nd of January? Why not the 10th of September? Why not the 12th of August? Why not the 13th of November? Why not? And New Year's and time. Time. Now that is something wild, because do seconds really exist? Do minutes really exist? Or is that just an arbitrary way of measuring the progress of time? This 1 second. That's 1 second. Well, why can't a second be? Why can't that be 1 second? Or a day. Why can't a day? Why does a day have to be 24 hours? 24 hours. So why not 22 hours? And just change the numbers around a little bit. If it's 22 hours, take those two hours and divide them by 20. It's 120 minutes, and change it around. Why does 1 hour? Why does 1 hour have to be 60 minutes? 60 minutes. Why can't 1 hour be 55 minutes? Why can't 1 hour be 100 minutes? It's arbitrary. That one. Arbitrary. So these things don't really exist. Day doesn't really exist. It's a day because we say it's a day. Weeks don't exist in nature. 7 days, nature doesn't group time into 7-day slots, nor a month. Nature doesn't group things into months. No. New Year, any day is New Year. Time, does it exist in nature? Well, now we're getting philosophical. Time, I guess it does, but according to science, time doesn't exist, and black holes and blah blah. Weeks and beyond. So these things are arbitrary. They exist because we say so. That's 1 minute because That's what we say 1 minute is. 60 seconds. Well, how long's a second? Exactly. Yeah. And only exist in our minds. Days, months, years, calendar, new year, time. Does time exist in our mind? We can't touch it. But we cannot touch it or experience it directly with our senses. We can experience it indirectly over time. And this is where it gets meta, and this is where it gets philosophical. We don't experience time per se. We witness time. Time goes by. This is where it gets weird. But abstract nouns are things we can't touch and only exist in our mind. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.